A complaint has also been filed now against Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee with the Delhi police by an advocate over her comment that if Bengal burns, other states will burn too.
Now, after that statement in which he is stating that if Bengal will burn, then Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha and Delhi will also burn. So she is holding a critical post and she is a CM of a state. But this kind of statement definitely raise a question upon the responsibility of a state CM, how she can dare to threat the other states, and it is about the dignity and credibility of a position, constitutional position, also about the integrity of the country. So now I am filing a complaint against Mamata Banerjee under Section 152, 192, 196 and 353 of BNS against Mamata Banerjee to lodge an FIR, because all these are serious, the concern is serious and all the sections are cognizable in nature. So I'm looking forward to lodge an FIR against her and taking appropriate action by Delhi police. Also share my complaint with President of India and the Home Ministry, so they can also look after my complaint, because this is a grave issue. It is not a small one. She is having a influential personality and having a influence over the people around our country. So this statement is not a small one. So we are looking forward that appropriate action should be taken against her.
And in a strong condemnation of the Abhaya rape and murder case, President Draupadi Murmu expressed her dismay and horror and also expressed her support for the ongoing protests. Here's her statement, and I'm reading out of it. Enough is enough, reiterating the importance of changing societal attitudes towards women and ensuring their safety and dignity in all spheres of life. Now, the TMC has questioned the president, calling this selective outrage.
The Honorable President आज स्टेटमेंट दे रहे हैं. क्यों दे रहे हैं? आरजी कौर बंगाल में है, बंगाल में एक इंसिडेंट है, इसीलिए आप स्टेटमेंट दे रहे हैं. मैडम, उन्नाव, हाथरस, प्रयागराज, बिल्किस, मध्य प्रदेश, मणिपुर, साक्षी मालिक, वो पूरा महाराष्ट्र, बदलापुर, उत्तराखंड, ओडिशा, एक के बाद एक बुरा इंसिडेंट हो रहा है. पर डे एवरेज देश में 90, एक भी होना नहीं चाहिए. बंगाल में हुआ है. कलकत्ता पुलिस स्टेप लिया था, अरेस्ट किया था. अभी तो सीबीआई के हाथ में है, उसको बोलिए जस्टिस देने के लिए.
And let's get your details of what veteran actor Shabana Azmi had to say, urging people to start treating women as equals. She also said that selective outrage is simply not okay.
आउटरीच तो होना चाहिए, आज नहीं आउटरीच होना चाहिए, बहुत पहले आउटरीच होना चाहिए. और इस तरह से सिलेक्टिव नहीं होना चाहिए कि ये जब चीजें हैं, एक आपको पॉलिटिकल विल की तरफ करी, दूसरी जो है आपको इंडस्ट्री नजर आ रही. ये घटनाएं बहुत ही खतरनाक हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ इस तरह से सिलेक्टिवली अगर हम चूज करेंगे तो ये जड़ तक नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे. और ये बहुत शर्मनाक बात है, क्योंकि निर्भया के लिए जब सारा देश इकट्ठे हुआ था, उसके बाद जस्टिस वर्मा कमेटी ने कितना अच्छा प्रोटोकॉल बनाया था, कितनी बातों को देख रहे हैं, मगर उसको कहीं ये कम नहीं हो रहा है. तो इसके ऊपर अगेन सिर्फ एक ही विचार नहीं हो सकता, लेकिन